Hi everyone, I'm Cherry with Missouri Star Quilt Company and it is Tuesday Newsday. I've got Rachel joining me today.
Hi guys.
She helps out Misty and Natalie, and of course Katie is behind the camera.
Hello.
Yeah, so what about this weather?
Oh, I'm not a fan of snow, so I really hate it. But
I think most all of us in the country has experienced, some of this snow and extreme cold temperatures.
Yes.
It's just been
I think
awful.
when I got up this morning, it was 5 below,
Yeah,
something like that.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
unpleasant.
Yeah, the wind chills are just crazy.
Yes.
So February is National Embroidery Month, and we thought we would just kind of look at some of our embroidery kits and things that have come out over the past year. We have a lot of really fun things, and Rachel and I have been able to stitch a lot of this for samples and so forth. What we're most excited about is getting in more of our Favorite Things kits. So if y'all remember, last September we had a quilt release called My Favorite Things, and this was Misty's quilt that was based off of a quilt that her great aunt gave her. Now her great aunt received it from her mother, who made the original, and so it's just been passed down to Misty. And it's so cute. Each little block has a little embroidered animal, or there's a bike, there's a rainbow, there's all kinds of things. Well, we have a kit that is back in stock, and it's just adorable. You want to help me?
Sure.
It has everything you need to make this quilt. So it's got the peel and stitch book that has all of the little designs. Look how cute those are. Yay, it has a pattern. And look at this. It has this little case that you can keep your embroidery floss in.
You
Little
can pull it
holes
right.
that you can pull it through the holes. That is so cool.
Velcro's right back in. I love
Yeah,
that.
yeah, and what have we got here?
Of course, we have a new needle minder. Oops. You get a cute little set of scissors, and then
Look how cute that needle minder
adorable.
is. It's so cute. I love it. And it even comes with the little hoop
oh yeah,
that you need. All right.
this little trapper keeper is awesome because you can just kind of close it up and just take it with you. So.
Yeah, that's so cool. I
very fun.
actually purchased one of these, and I can't wait.
Me too. I've been having
Can't
a lot
wait
of
to
fun
get
with
started with it. Also, I think a lot of you may have seen our Red, White, and Bloom, and this is actually a kit that we have, and it's kind of a stitch-along kit. This quilt is so adorable, and you actually get the panel in the kit. You want to hold that up? And there are 365 flowers on this panel. And the idea is to stitch a flower a day, and you'll be done with it at the end of the year. Now, of course, some of us are going to be speed demons and get the whole thing done pretty quickly, probably by, the 4th of July. But it is just
And then there's a
absolutely
tutorial
adorable.
for the rest.
Tutorial, and of course it comes with the cutest
Oh
little
yeah,
needle minder.
that's a
Look
big
how
one.
adorable that is. Yeah. So I know that we have those in stock as well. We've really blossomed a lot with everything that we have to offer. Our 2 newest little kits, Bundle Up and Stitch, little winter.
Designs.
Yeah.
There's like mittens and hot cocoa.
Yeah.
It's adorable.
And the very newest is So in Love. And this is all like I don't know, Valentine's, and I've not really looked at this one really well. But
Hearts and candy and
yeah,
roses.
It looks so cute. And we do have thread kits that go with all of our different little embroidery kits.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've got a lot that you can pick from in terms of embroidery. We have some exciting things coming up very, very soon that will actually release, I think, next month. And you're going to want to see those. Rachel and I was working on them. Rachel's helping me out, but we have some new embroidery and applique that I think you guys are really, really going to love. have. So stay tuned for that in February. Yeah. Okay, so this Friday, Natalie has a new tutorial releasing called Twilight Lattice, and it uses the potato chip block. I've never done that, so I'm really anxious to see this quilt. It sounds like it would be a lot of fun.
It's very fun, and it has a bonus project to go along with it too.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Always love that.
Yeah,
you get a little extra.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I'm sure most of you are wondering what's going on with my arm. Well, I had just a little bit of thumb surgery about a week ago. Very common problem when you have arthritis in your thumb. And it was a very simple procedure. I'm in this cast, there is a cast under there, and I'm in this cast for another week, and then it comes off and I'm in a soft splint. So I'll be able to kind of get back into the swing of things and get some sewing done. It may be a little longer before I can do any embroidery, but anyway, it's coming along good. It's been quite an adjustment, and there's a few things that I've learned. Number one, I'm not ambidextrous at all. And my left arm is so weak. My hand is so weak. I had no idea. I was like exhausted this morning after I got ready. But I've learned to, take shortcuts and figure out ways to do things that we all just take for granted.
Poor Cherry. Hopefully you'll be on the mend soon.
Yeah, I will be. I will be. I really did not sit down and do any New Year's resolutions. Did you?
I joined the gym this year.
Oh,
so
good for you.
I guess.
Good for you.
I guess so.
I would like to say that I would get more personal quilts made. Maybe one a month. That might be stretching it a little bit, but
I have one on my board that's been there for about 6 months.
Yeah.
I still need to piece the blocks together. So
do you have any travel plans this year?
No.
I have a couple of trips coming up. I'm going with Misty actually to Scotland in October. And I know that trip is sold out, but you could stick your name on the waiting list in case any spaces become available.
That's going to be so fun.
Oh, it's going to be a blast. It's going to be so fun. I've got a couple other trips planned later on in the year. Let's see, what else? What else is going on? I really can't tell you what I've been working on because it doesn't release until next month. So y'all stay tuned. And I've not really finished anything here lately in terms of personal projects.
No. Well, we've been working on getting ready for our retreats this year. That's very exciting.
Yeah.
So we've been doing a lot of work there. And
Dome Girls.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think most everyone knows, that Jenny will be back later on at the end of the summer. Well, not really at the end of the summer. It's kind of at the beginning of the summer, at the end of June. So I know everybody's excited about that, to see her. And I know she's excited to come home and see everybody and see her kids that she misses, her grandkids and all. So anyway, one thing we did not show is your little blocks.
Oh.
Rachel's been making the favorite things,
yes.
And she has made so many of these little blocks, and some of them she has put.
Let me see if I can find one. I ordered some iridescent thread.
Isn't that
and
cute?
So I just kind of substituted out some of the regular colors for the iridescent.
Yeah.
And I think it turned out really fun. Like the disco ball turned out really cute in the silver. Oh, I love this one. The little seashell. So that was just a lot of fun. Oh, this one's everybody's favorite though.
Isn't that cute?
The gumballs.
You've done such a great job on those.
It's just so fun. I love it so much.
I can't wait to see this all put together.
Me too.
It's going to be adorable.
I'm very excited. So I'm at the stage now where I'm trying to decide my fabric to go along with it. So
That's great. That's great. Well, Katie, do we have anything else?
I don't think so. I think you hit it all.
All right, very good. Well, we're so glad that you guys could join us today, and we hope everybody stays warm this week and has a great week on top of that. So we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.